Hello my dear cute little children, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking good care of your health and studying at home. So, are you ready for your English grammar class? We were doing chapter number 5, negative sentences. I hope till now you have known the meaning of negative sentences. Today, we'll start with the exercise portion. So, take out your textbook and do along with me, okay? Before doing this exercise, let us do a short revision of this. See, here it is written, let's revise. Negative sentences have no or not in them. You know, negative sentences have either of these two words, either no or not. To make negative sentences, we write, what do we write to make a positive sentence a negative? Not after the verb when the verb has am, are, is. That means when the verb is only of one word like am, are, is, we put the not after the verb. Okay. Next, we put not after the first word when the verb has more than one word. When the verb has more than one word, is dancing, I am enjoying, two words, something action words. So, where do we have to put not? After the first word, that means in between the verbs. Last, we have to put do not. This is the short form of do not, don't. Don't before the sentence when it is an imperative sentence. When it is an imperative sentence like an advice, command or order, we have to insert don't in the beginning. So now let us do the exercise. See. Change the given sentences into negative sentence. First, the jungle was very dense. This is a simple sentence. The jungle was very dense. Now, how will you change it into negative? Can you find the verb first? Here, what is the verb? Was is the verb. So, we will put not after was. The jungle was not very dense. So, did you see where we had put the word not? After the verb was. Was is our verb. After was, we have inserted not. Second, she has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. So, what will be the answer? First step, find the verb. Has. Okay. So, we will put not after has. She has not gone to the market. So, now this becomes a negative sentence. Next, Jyoti is happy with her new friends. Jyoti is happy with her new friends. Now, which is our verb? Like we discussed the example, am, is, are. So, here you can see is. So, we will put not after the verb is. So, what will be the answer? Jyoti is not happy with her new friends. So, now this becomes a negative verb. Negative sentence. Then, he has kept his promise. He has kept his promise. Now, how will you change it into a negative sentence? Has is our verb, right? You all know. Has is our verb. So, now, where you will put not? Tell me. Yes, after the verb has. So, what will be our answer? He has not kept his promise. He has not kept his promise. So, now all these answers becomes our negative sentence. See, here you can see the word not. Jungle was not very dense. She has not gone to the market. Jyoti is not happy with her new friends. And the last one, he has not kept his promise. So now I'll show you two simple steps to solve each sentence. See, the first step is find verb. What is our first step? You have to find verb. And what is our second step? You have to put not after the verb. You have to put not or no, whatever is suitable there, okay, after the verb. So I hope this much is clear for you, and now we'll meet in the next video lesson with the continuation of this exercise. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.